Do you know the reasons why you are trading for? Why I ask this so many times in my videos? Is that because every setback is actually heavier. So let's go into this video and let's hope that you understand the reasons of this. This is a must-have to have clear of your purpose in life as a trader. Okay guys, so let's go into the video now.
You're staring at the screen and every red candle feels heavier than it should. The truth is, you're carrying a massive emotional burden every time you face the market, but you don't actually know why you're doing it. Why endure the stress and the late nights if you've never sat down to define the real purpose behind this journey? Most traders enter the market chasing an exit. They want to escape a job, find quick financial relief, or trade their current life for a more prestigious identity. But these are superficial desires. They function as fragile emotional band-aids that lack the structural foundation required to survive long-term market exposure. When your drive is fueled purely by escapism, inevitable losses feel much heavier. There is no deeper psychological anchor to absorb the impact, leaving you vulnerable to every fluctuation. The market is a crucible, operating on a trinity of pressure: the sting of loss, the weight of uncertainty, and the drain of time. Without an anchor, this shatters your process. You jump between systems, overtrade, or hesitate because your subconscious isn't aligned. You lose your baseline. Without a deep why, a standard statistical loss stops being a data point and turns into a crippling identity crisis. A weak purpose surrenders control to raw emotion. A strong purpose generates the endurance needed to stay rational when the numbers turn red. If your internal foundation cannot withstand this crucible, self-destruction is inevitable. Moving past this failure requires a complete shift in how you view the act of trading itself. The solution is to define a purpose that transcends the concept of making money. This is about alignment. It's not a fleeting burst of motivation. It's the practice of connecting your daily actions to the person you want to become and the standards you choose to live by. When your actions match your identity, discipline becomes a natural byproduct. It's no longer an agonizing daily chore because it's part of who you are. Alignment changes how the brain categorizes a losing trade. It removes the emotional sting and converts perceived failures into objective, actionable feedback. Establishing a mission beyond profit provides the psychological runway necessary to survive long enough to master a strategy and achieve consistent results. Forging this armor requires a strict protocol. Start by writing a brutally honest origin story.
I hope you understand now why is this important to get this purpose in place to line up with your mentality and your trading life. So if not, you know the consequences, they are catastrophic. But what I want to say, how we can actually make this work for you, I've tried to explain in a video. Is extremely difficult because all of you, they are different. So it must be tailored to each one of you. So guys, I'm always online. Any question you want to ask me, please let me know. So see you in the next video. Bye now.